الله الرحمن الرحيم.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. This is me Duazi from The Educators, and today it's our lecture for class 1. So before starting our class, kindly raise your hand for the dua. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul uqdatam min lisani wa yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Amin. Okay, so class, take out your TGT books. TGT, the Grammar Tree Book 1, second edition. Open page number 8. In the previous classes, we have learned some naming words. We have learned the names of animals, living things, non-living things, some toys and games. In today's class, we will learn naming words. What are naming words? Naming words are called noun. Naming words are called noun. And what are nouns? In the previous classes, we have studied that the name of any person, any place or anything is called noun. So all kinds of things, animals, birds and people have names. We call these names naming words. Now come to exercise number 1. Pick out the naming words from the sentences and write them in your exercise book. Look at this picture, how beautiful it is. What can you see in this picture? There is a frog, there is a tree, there is a boy, there is a girl who is holding a cup of tea in her hand, there are fishes. So these all are names. It is an animal and it has name. The name of this animal is frog, so it's called a naming word. This is a boy, boy is a naming word. This is a girl, girl is a naming word. Basket, this is a tree, fishes, sea. So these all are naming words. There are some sentences. You have to pick naming words from these sentences. Number first is, this is a pond. This is a pond. Pond, underline the word pond. Pond is a naming word because it's the name of something. Number second, look at the fish in it. Look at the fish in it. There is a fish in the sea. Look at it, and the fish is the name of an animal, so it's a naming word. A frog is sitting on the leaf. There are two naming words. Number first is the name of an animal, a frog. Frog is a name, and sitting on a leaf. Leaf is a thing, so it's a naming word. Number 4, the boy has a fishing rod. There is a boy. The boy is a naming word because it's the name of a person and has a fishing rod in his hand. So fishing rod is also a naming word. The girl has a basket. There is a girl sitting on the grass holding a cup of tea and she has a basket. So basket is a name of anything, so it's a naming word, and the girl is a name of a person, so it's a naming word. Now come to exercise B. What do you think the boy and girl will do? What do you think the boy is doing and what do you think the girl is doing in this picture? They will sit by the dash. They will sit where they are sitting. They are sitting on the grass by the pond. So they will sit by the pond. And the boy will catch. What's the boy doing? The boy is catching fishes with a fishing rod. So, and the boy will catch fishes with his fishing rod. The boy is catching fishing with his fishing rod. They will put the dash in the dash. What they are doing? They are catching fishes, so they will put these fishes in the basket. They will put the fish in the basket. So there are some words. Read with me. Fish. Okay, class, read these words with me. Fish, frog, basket, fishing rod, pond, boy, girl, leaf. Write down date on the top of the page. 28/5/21, and VL means video lesson. Okay class, now come to page number 9, naming words. Now there are some words that goes together. They are connecting words or pair words. Some naming words go together. Example, shoes and socks. Shoes will go with socks and socks will go with shoes. Read the question. Here are the pictures of some naming words which go together. Connect each pair by drawing a line. One has been done for you. Number first is shoes. Shoes will always go with socks. So you will connect shoes with the socks. Shirt. Shirt will always go with shorts. So you will connect shirt with shorts. Now the third one is cup. Cup will go with saucer. Hand. Hand will give egg. So hand will go with egg. paper. Paper will go with pencil, cow with milk, and bat with ball. So these are the words that goes together. Okay, now come to page number 10. A scene. Look at this picture. How many things you can see in the picture? There are a lot of things. There is a girl who is reading a book. There is a boy who has a paper boat in his hand. There are two cows. There are clouds. There is a tree. There is a bird. There is a doll, a teddy bear, a ball. There is a river and a fishing rod. Now, okay, so this is a scene of a picnic. Whatever you see in this scene, you have to circle those words in this word bank. So the first word is apple. Is there any apple in this picture? Yes, there is an apple. So you will circle the word apple. The second word is X. Is there any X in the picture? No. So you will leave this. Third word is boat. Is there any boat? Have you seen any boat? Yes, there is a paper boat in the boy's hand. So you will circle the word boat. Now cows. Is there any cows? Yes, there are two cows. So they circle the word cows. Tree. Yes, there is also a tree. Circle the word tree. Girl. Yes, there is a girl who is reading a book. Circle the word girl. Boy. Yes, there is a boy. Circle the word boy. Train. Is there any train? No, there is no train. Next one is fishing rod. Is there any fishing rod? Yes, there is a fishing rod. Circle the word fishing rod. Next one is van. Have you seen any van in this scene? No, there is no van. Next is fence. Is there fence? Yes. Circle the word fence. Bicycle? No, there is no bicycle in this scene. Next one is banana. Is there any banana? Yes, the banana is in the plate. Circle the word banana. Next one is grass. Yes, there are grass. They both are sitting on the grass. Circle the word grass. River. Yes, there is a river. Circle the word river. Bird. Yes, there is a bird on the tree. Circle the word bird. Clouds. Yes, there are clouds. Circle the word clouds. Candle. Is there any candle? No. Book. Is there any book? Yes, the book is in. The girl is reading a book. Circle the word book. Is there a teddy? Yes, there is a teddy. Circle the word teddy. Doll. The doll is also in the picture. Circle the word doll. Ball. Is there a ball? Yes, circle the word ball. Swing. Is there a swing? No. Basket. Yes, circle the word basket. Okay, so now class, page number 11, checkpoint. Whatever we have learned in the previous pages, you will check it. It's like a test. Okay, so read the question. Read these sentences about Asad's life after he comes back from home from school. Can you find all the naming words hidden in them? One has been done for you. There are some sentences about Asad's life. There are some naming words in these sentences. You have to find out those naming words. First is Asad says salam to his mother. In this sentence, there are two naming words. Asad is the name of a boy, so it's a naming word, and mother is also a naming word. You have to write these naming words in the blank spaces. You have to do it by yourself. Now B. Which of these naming words are things used in the bathroom? Make a list of them below. There are some naming words that we use in the bathroom. So you have to make a list of those naming words. You have to write those in these blank spaces. So this is your homework. Okay class, this is your homework. You have to do page number 8, 9, 10 and 11 checkpoint in your TGT book. Okay, so I hope you understood today's class, and Allah Hafiz till the next one.